أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the 9th part of our lesson series from the book titled Learn Tajweed with Ease. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. In this part of the lessons, we are going to discuss the fourth rule guarding the pronunciation of Nun Sakina and Tanween in Tajweed. The concept of Ikhfaa. Ikhfaa. Ikhfaa means concealment. Concealment. To conceal means to hide something. You may ask me, what does Ikhfaa have to do with concealment or hiding? I'll tell you that Ikhfaa does not independently have any rule of its own. It shares rule with Izhar and Idgham. That is why it is referred to as Ikhfaa, hiding. It is hiding under Izhar and Idgham. It is hiding behind Izhar and Idgham because it does not independently have any rule of its own. So you may ask me, in what way does it share rule with Izhar? So the answer, you remember in Izhar, you read your Nun Sakina and Tanween plainly. You read it clearly. You read it plainly. The same thing is applicable to Ikhfaa. You read your Nun Sakina and Tanween in Ikhfaa plainly, just like the way you do in Izhar. So you may equally ask me, in what way does Ikhfaa share feature, or does Ikhfaa share characteristic with Idgham? So I'll tell you that in Idgham, the Gunna, you apply Gunna, a deep Gunna. The same thing is applicable to Ikhfaa. You read your Nun Sakina in Ikhfaa with deep Gunna, with adequate Gunna. So this is how Ikhfaa shares feature with Izhar and Idgham. So it shares quality with Izhar and Idgham. So Ikhfaa is now hiding behind Izhar and Idgham. So this is why it is called Ikhfaa, concealment or hiding. So that is my opinion. This is my opinion. MashaAllah. So once you know the letters of Izhar, and you know your letters of Idgham bi Gunna and Idgham bi Ghair Gunna, and you know the only one letter of Iqlab, any other letter that you see after Nun Sakina and Tanween, if it is not one of those letters, just take it as Ikhfaa and apply Gunna to Nun Sakina or Tanween. That is how you apply the rule of Ikhfaa. Ikhfaa is only asking you, apply Gunna to your Nun Sakina and Tanween when you see me after Nun Sakina or Tanween. So this is how the rule of Ikhfaa is applied. Okay, what are the letters of Ikhfaa? These are the letters of Ikhfaa. Ta'un, Tha'un, Jimun, Dalun, Dhalun, Zayun, Sinun, Shinun, Sadun, Dadun, Ta'un, Za'un, Fa'un, Qafun, then Kafun. If you see any one of these letters appearing after Nun Sakina or Tanween, make sure you apply Gunna to your Nun Sakina or Tanween. That is all. There's nothing else you should do beside that. Apply only Gunna, deep one, MashaAllah. Let's try to read some examples. Here is kafun appearing after nun sakina. So how do you read it? You read it as وَمَنْ كَانَ. وَمَنْ كَانَ. You are stopping on the nun. وَمَنْ كَانَ. Again. وَمَنْ كَانَ. Apply only gunna. Here is kafun appearing after tanween. Malakun kareem. Malakun kareem. So the rule of this kafun is ikhfaa. Why? Because of the appearance of kafun after it. And the kafun is one of the letters of ikhfaa. MashaAllah. More examples. A ta'un appearing after nun sakina. How do we read it? وَمَنْ تَطَوَّعَ. وَمَنْ تَطَوَّعَ. وَمَنْ تَطَوَّعَ. So the rule of this nun sakin is ikhfaa because of the appearance of ta'un after it. Here is ta'un again. كُنْتَ. 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 The rule of this nun sakina is ikhfaa because of the appearance of this ta'un. Here is ta'un again appearing after tanween. Shajaratun tahruj. Shajaratun tahruj. Shajaratun tahruj. That's how you read it. Ta'un appearing after tanween. Liyawmin tashhas. ليوم تشخص. ليوم تشخص. Apply only gunna. Here is jimun appearing after nun sakina. Man jaa. Man jaa. Since we are stopping on this hamza, you must break the voice. As you know, breaking of the voice is for reading of hamza with sukun. I take it again. Man jaa. Man jaa. Okay, here is nun jimun again appearing after nun sakina. Wa anjayna. Wa anjayna. The rule of this nun sakina is ikhfaa because of the appearance of jimun after it. Now jimun again after nun sakina. Aynun jariyah. Aynun jariyah. The rule of this tanween is ikhfaa because of the appearance of jimun after it. Jimun again after tanween. Qawman jabbarin. Qawman jabbarin. The rule of this tanween is ikhfaa because of the appearance of jimun after it. Now sadun appearing after nun sakina. وَمَنْ صَلَحَ. وَمَنْ صَلَحَ. Sadun again after nun sakina in one word. Mansura. Mansura. Okay, here is sadun again appearing after tanween. You know, I told us that wherever you see small circle written on a letter, the small circle is telling you, ignore the letter under me. Ignore it. Don't read it. Just ignore it. Now you read as mi'atun sabira. Mi'atun sabira. Mi'atun sabira. That's how you read it. Then sadun again after tanween. Ma'in sadid. Ma'in sadid. Ma'in sadid. So the rule of this tanween is ikhfaa. You ask me why. It is because of the appearance of sadun after it. Now kafun appearing after nun sakina. How do we read this? Man kasabe. Man kasabe. Man kasabe. Here is another one. Kafun after nun sakina. Ankafa. Ankafa. The rule of the nun sakina here is Ikhfaa. The reason why is because of the appearance of kafun after nun sakina. Here is kafun again, appearing after tanween. Now you read this as Yawman kan. For stopping. Yawman kan. Here is another one. Malakun kareem. Malakun kareem. So you may ask me, what is the rule of this tanween? So I will say, the rule of this tanween is Ikhfaa. The reason why it is Ikhfaa is because of the appearance of kafun after the tanween. So once you know all of these letters, you know the letters of izhar, letters of idgham, and the only one letter of iqlab. Any other letter you see after nun sakina or tanween, if it is not one of those letters, just apply the rule of Ikhfaa. That's just it. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Kindly like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.